Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to discover Advatek Mk3 devices on your network. So first off, we're just going to go to Google and we're going to search for Advatek System 3 download and hit enter. That should take us to the Advatek Lighting website. Click that there. Resources, downloads, software, and there we'll see Advatek Assistant 3. I've already got it downloaded, so let's search for it here. Make sure you have the latest version installed because they do update it quite frequently. Providing your devices are on the same network as your computer, you should see them appear here. Now, even if they're in a different IP range, they will still appear. You can see what firmware they're on. If you click over on the three-dot context menu, you can also change the IP address, whether you want it on static, DHCP, or whatever. Once these have appeared, if you just double-click them, it will open up. The interface, or alternatively, if you can see the IP address 192.168.133, you can go to your browser and access them via the web GUI there, and that's it.